Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Take a look at this set. I got this from JMBricklayer and it's the Spaceman set. I'm loving the look of this. That helmet looks amazing. I wonder if it's really that shiny like it's on the box. This has 900 pieces, so it's quite a lot there. It looks very advanced actually. It said 14 plus on the box. So let's see what we get. The bags are numbered nicely. That means it's going to be a lot easier to build. I'm just checking out these parts. They look alright. Oh, and here's the helmet. So it's an electro plated helmet for the Spaceman, and I don't want you to see my face yet. It's very shiny. It's like a mirror. Got some more parts here. I think that's for the stand because you can display the Spaceman. And you can play with it also, I believe. It looks really cool. And a bag of gold and silver pieces. I am like a magpie. I'm attracted to these shiny things. They look really nice. They feel really nice actually. Got like special coating on there. But I noticed underneath they're not coloured all the way. It must be something to do with the clutch power maybe. So there's more parts here. There's actually quite a lot of gold and silver parts. I'm really liking the look of this. They are really super shiny. They feel really good. So underneath, see how it's not coated? That's alright. And then look how shiny that is. They look really, really good. What else have we got? More bags. See, another bag of the shiny bits. And I've noticed there are no stickers in this set. Everything is printed parts. So that's really good. And they look really good actually also. The manual. Let's see how easy it is to build this. And we get a picture of the astronaut here with some details. That air tank looks super impressive, and there's so many cables and parts coming out. Lots and lots of detail, and looks like his little fingers move as well. That looks pretty good. Alright, let's see. There's a lot of steps here, and oh, it looks pretty complicated here. Oh, I hope I can build this. Yeah, of course I will. You know how much I love building. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty. Let's build. I love the look of this Spaceman suit. I love that it's split into two distinct sides, a white and a grey, and then you've got the gold and the silver accents throughout. I like the split design of the spacesuit because it shows you all the intricate workings inside the suit. It's really, really nice build, I think. There's a lot of detail, a lot of great use of parts in this. Definitely a different build that I'm used to, as I always build buildings and cute little things. But look at that detail on this. This is just the body of the Spaceman, and the printed parts on this are very good quality. Like, it just looks magnificent. It's holding together really, really well. The part quality is excellent also. And I didn't know you can use parts the way I've been using parts here. It's amazing. There's a magnifying glass there for some extra detail. This is great. I honestly have learned a lot of using the bricks and making curved bodies out of these bricks. Like, look at this. It's really cool. I'm starting on the legs, so this is the grey section of the Spaceman suit. Lots of detail again and great use of parts. I'm amazed by this. I am loving building this. It's great that ball joints are included, so you can do lots of poses with your Spaceman. So here's the foot going on and you can jiggle it all around. And I'm going to attach it to the body now. Look at that, it's coming along. And now this is the white leg with all the silver details on here. So the white side is what the spacesuit looks like on the outside, and the grey side is what's happening on the interior. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Those gold bits are really cool. Now I'm just connecting lots of hoses because this is the life support system for the Spaceman. So I need to make sure I connect all the hoses on the right parts, otherwise he won't be able to breathe. Time for the arms, and I love how the arms are built also with the ball joints, so you can do lots of poses, and you'll also get to do fingers, so you can do like thumbs up and just make the Spaceman hold things. So that's pretty cool. Lots of detail. Here are the fingers, and they all move independently, so you can really do poses and grip onto things with that. And that's just another joint, and that's going to join onto the spacesuit. And the hand keeps falling off there a little bit. Okay, got to be careful with the hand. And now this is the white side, and I didn't realise I put the wrong tile on there, so the white tile goes on the white side and the grey goes on the grey. Silly me, I couldn't see it. So I've noticed the hands don't attach as well as the rest of the body parts, so you've got to be a little bit gentle with them. Yeah. Otherwise everything else is really good. So I'm going to attach his arms now. He's laying down for a bit of surgery there. It's really starting to come along and take shape. He looks good. Now he needs a head. Where's my head? I'm looking for my head. This helmet design is awesome. I can't believe that you can curve bricks like this and make like a curved appearance for a helmet. It's built really, really well, and I love the gold detailing. These gold parts are really, really good. I think they've like really made this set, and the silver bits too. Just the shininess of everything. I just need to work out how to do this. It's a little bit hard for me to put it all together while I've got the camera there. So bear with me, I will build it properly. Here's that gold face shield, which has completely made the set, I believe. It looks amazing. I didn't think it was going to be this super shiny. I couldn't work out how to put it on there, but I've worked it out now. And then I'm just doing all the internals of the helmet and the siding. So I think that's the helmet done now. It's gonna go on the Spaceman. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. Now just got to put his hands on because they fell off. Got to do something about that. Might put a bit of blue tack in there, I think. And then just these side bits on the helmet to finish it off. Wow. Now the stand that he's going to stand on, and this printed plate. Look at this. I love it. I love that there's no stickers in this. There's that little stand, and we're going to try and put him on there so he's nice and supported. And there he is. I need to wipe all the bits down from my fingerprints. Oh, here he is. You can move his arms around, his legs, and make sure his hands don't fall off. You've got to be a little bit careful there. This looks amazing displayed. I love it. Look at his little fingers moving and his legs. You can do so many poses. And there is another little bit you can put on the stand there to lower the astronaut. So then he actually touches the base. I'll do that after. But my golly, he looks great. He's given us a thumbs up because he looks so cool. Now he's doing the moonwalk shuffle. Time to do some star jumps, or he's running to give me a hug. The JMBricklayer Spaceman set. I love this. I didn't think I was going to like it because I'm not into building things like this, but this dude is amazing. The detail of this whole set is fantastic. The quality of parts for this set is amazing. So it's around $54 US. You can get it a bit cheaper sometimes, and it's free shipping. And I believe this set is so worth it, especially if you love space. So everyone, get your bricks out.